let us discuss how to factor quadratic trinomials. Okay, so ang quadratic trinomials meron niyang two different types. Yung una is x squared plus bx plus c. Tapos yung isa ay may form na ax squared plus bx plus c. Ang difference nila, ito yung una, ang numerical coefficient niya or leading coefficient rather is 1 or yung value ng a is 1. Meanwhile, sa second type, yung value ng a is not equal to 1. Sa video na to, ito lang focusan natin. Okay? Didiscuss din natin to sa other videos. But for now, purihin ko lang siya. Okay, so paano tayo mag-factor kapag ganitong form yung ating trinomial? Okay, the factored form of x squared plus bx plus c is the product of two binomials to which the first terms are x. Ito na lang ang problema, yung digits nyo dito. And these two numbers right here, these two numbers have the product c and have the sum b. So iisip kayo ng two numbers na kung saan yung product ay c, tapos yung sum ay b. Okay, example, factor natin yung x squared minus 9x and then plus 20. This is in the form of x squared plus bx plus c kasi yung ating leading coefficient is 1. So the factored form is the product of two binomials tapos yung first terms ay x. Ngayon, yung ating constant term c is 20 right here. Okay? Sulat natin dito 20. Ngayon, let's list down all the pair of factors for 20. So for example, 10 times 2, 5 times 4. Pwede rin ng negative. Negative 5 times negative 4, negative 10 times negative 2. Ngayon, hahanapin natin yung pair of factors na merong sum na negative 9. Ito yon. Negative 5 plus negative 4 is negative 9. Okay? So, ayan yung dalawang digits na kailangan natin dito. So, minus 5 and then minus 4. Ito na ngayon yung factored form. How about this one? Let's factor x squared minus, let's say, 8x and then plus 12. Again, the leading coefficient is 1, kaya naman yung factored form ay product ng dalawang binomials. Tapos ang first terms ay x. The constant term is positive 12. Sulat natin dito, 12. Write down the pair of factors for 12. We have 4 times 3, we have 6 times 2, and meron din tayong negative. So negative 6 times negative 2, negative 4 times negative 3. And yung pair of factors na merong sum na negative 8 ay itong negative 6 and negative 2. So ito yung kailangan nating digits or values. Negative 6 and negative 2. Minus 6, minus 2. Let's try another one. Say x squared minus 13x minus 48. Anong factored form yan? Again, the leading coefficient is 1. Therefore, yung factored form ay product ng dalawang binomials tapos yung first terms ay x. Like this. Okay? The constant term is negative 48. Right here, sulat natin, negative 48. And then let's write down all the pair of factors. Ano ba mga pair of factors niyan? 12 times negative 4, negative 12 times 4, 16 times negative 3, negative 16 times 3. What else? 24 times negative 2, negative 24 times 2. And then hanapin natin yung pair of factors na mayroong sum na negative 13. Bale, ito yon. Negative 16 plus 3 is negative 13. So the two numbers that we need are negative 16 and 3. Minus 16 and then positive 3. Next, let's factor x squared. Let's say plus 11x plus 28. Okay. So again, the leading coefficient is 1. So the factored form is the product of two binomials. Tapos x yung first terms. The constant term is 28. Sulat natin. And the pair of factors of 28 are 7 times 4, negative 7 times negative 4, 14 times 2, negative 14 times negative 2. And kailangan natin yung may sum na positive 11. So ito yon, 7 and 4. Let's write positive 7 and positive 4. That's the factored form. Let's try one more. Factor natin yung x squared. Let's say plus 3x minus 28. Again, the leading coefficient is 1. So ito ay product ng dalawang binomials. Tapos ito ay x, ito ay x. The constant term is negative 28. So negative 28, the factored form, or rather the pair of factors are 7 times negative 4, negative 7 times 4, 14 times negative 2, negative 14 times 2. And yung pair of factors na merong sum na positive 3 ay ito, 7 and negative 4. So, positive 7 and then negative 4.